Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken lollipop. First, prepare your chicken drumettes by pushing the meat down to create that classic lollipop shape. Next, gather all your ingredients, including your favorite spices, ginger garlic paste, and soy sauce. Marinate the chicken for at least 30 minutes or even longer for deeper flavor. This initial step is crucial for tender and delicious results. Now let's get that chicken bursting with flavor. Combine ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, and a dash of soy sauce in a bowl. Thoroughly coat each chicken lollipop with this aromatic marinade, ensuring every piece is well covered. While the chicken marinates, prepare your batter by whisking together all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and a little water until smooth. This will give your lollipops a crispy exterior. It's time to get frying. Heat your cooking oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit in a deep pan. Carefully dip each marinated chicken lollipop into the prepared batter, ensuring an even coating. Gently place them into the hot oil, frying in small batches to avoid overcrowding. Cook until they are beautifully golden brown and thoroughly cooked through, which usually takes about 6 to 8 minutes per batch. Once fried, you can toss your chicken lollipops in a sweet and spicy sauce, or serve them plain with a dipping sauce on the side. Garnish with fresh chopped cilantro or vibrant spring onions for an extra touch of freshness. Remember to check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof containers and other great deals to make your meal prep a breeze. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly crispy chicken lollipops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.